What's going on, y'all? Crow back here, back in the back room of Crow's back room. How you doing? Today we got an alcohol review, and that is some stuff I've never had before. Just kind of walked by it and was like, this looks interesting. So went ahead and picked it up, and that is Bird Dog, and that's of course the brand, but they had all these different flavors, and apple stood out to me. I saw that they had a peach and a berry, like a blackberry, or maybe it was something like that. I can't remember which berry it was, but I kind of skimmed through it, and I just saw apple, and I immediately picked it up. But I didn't want to, be in the ABC store too long, because I went there before work, so I wanted to be prepared tonight. Didn't know if I was going to shoot a video or not, but I got out of work so late. It's good that I picked this up before work, because otherwise I wouldn't have even been able to pick up beer, because I got it off after midnight. So anyways, back to the alcohol review. It's an 80 proof, 40% per volume. This is a 750 milliliter. I know a long time ago I messed up on one bottle and said it was a 1.75, and it was just like a 750. Yeah. But anyway, I don't remember what video that was. BirddogWhiskey.com. Bottled for Western Spirits by Three Springs Bottled Company, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Then the government warning. That's about it on the back there. And on the top here, they got a little ribbon to know if it's been opened or not. And what I don't like is this cork is very loose. Like usually it ain't got a good pop at all. Like it's just sliding in there like Rocky's mom. Who? But anyway, let's go ahead and get a shot here. Got the old Jim Beam glass. Might be sacrilege or whatever to pour one whiskey into another whiskey's glass, but whatever. I might have poured too much, don't know. But anyway, let's get a little smell here. By the way, I've drinking a little bit already just to get a feel for it, so I don't just go into this blindly, since this is the first time I ever had Bird Dog of any flavor. Yeah, right off the bat, it kind of smells like Dr. McGillicuddy, and I think Dr. McGillicuddy also has different flavors too, but I'm thinking about the apple pie flavor, or whatever it's called. Yeah, all I'm getting is apple. And let's see if there's cinnamon in this. Yep, there's definitely cinnamon going with the apple here. Get another good old look at the bottle there. But yeah, this stuff was $20 even, which is pretty cool. Didn't have to break any change there. But yeah, to just spend one $20 bill on this that'll last you a good while, that's not too shabby at all for the price and flavor, and the proof and percentage of alcohol all put together. That right there bumps it up in the ratings. What is the taste per se here? The fumes of the alcohol just hit me in the eyes. Alright. I would say it tastes like spice the apples because it tastes like a cooked apple with cinnamon all over it. It don't taste like apple juice or something like that. It tastes like apple pie or something with apple and cinnamon. That's pretty much the only flavors I'm getting off of it. Got some RC Cola over here. Not a sponsor. This stuff is damn good though. I mean, $20. The overall rating of this, I mean, going off the feel of it already, I'm feeling pretty damn good. It goes down smooth. It was bottom shelf or the second shelf up. So yeah, it's definitely not top shelf stuff, but it is smooth for what it is. It doesn't taste like gasoline or nail polish or anything like that. Bird Dog, I'm surprised. I don't think anybody's recommended this, or I don't think anybody's ever talked about it before. So I'm very surprised that I found this and liked it. Now I feel like I need to go try the other flavors. I also need to see if Dr. McGillicuddy has other flavors too. I remember doing that one back in the day on my channel. Go and check that one out if you haven't. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. I do alcohol reviews, dip reviews. I do random ass videos sometimes. I need to do some more of those because, like, I don't know, me and my friends, whatever, do some stupid shit and not even think about making a video of it. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you recommend in alcohols, what you really like, what you really don't like, because I like to try the best of them and the worst of them, just to have that spectrum. And yeah, again, this alcohol, I think I said like a 9 out of 10, because the only thing that's throwing me off is I don't really like the cinnamon in whiskeys. So if it was more just the apple flavor and not cinnamon added to it, it would be awesome. But yeah, that's going to be it here. Sorry, I kind of lost my energy at the end there. I'll see you in the next one. What type of review will it be? I don't know. I'll go ahead and let you go. Crow out.